Yesterday I made a video on budget sports mobiling, and I want to talk about that more because you guys like that topic, so I'm preparing another video about that. So I went on Craigslist and searched sports mobile because I wanted to show you guys what a used sports mobile goes for. And I found this van on Craigslist, so I want to make this video now before this van sells. I wanted to make a video about it because it's on a Camburg lift kit. So Camburg is phasing out their two-wheel drive lift kits. They used to do bent beam kits. Now they're only selling action van style kits. I wish this guy took more pictures of the lift, of the suspension. But Camburg lift, I only know one other guy with the Camburg lift, my friend Hector, and he offered to show his van whenever I'm on the road again. So it'll be cool to show you guys what a Camburg lift kit looks like. Yeah, this van's on a Camburg lift kit. Good looking van. This is the definition of budget sports mobiling right here. You come up with your own vision. It does everything a sports mobile does for a lot less money. $25,800. Let's look at the details. There you go, right there. Camburg lift and 315s. Is that I think that's a 35-inch tire. So he's running a 35-inch tire on a two-wheel drive lift kit. And this thing only has 80,000 miles on it, like 88. Yeah, 82. Lots of life left in that one. So yeah, that's the definition of budget sports mobiling right here. Nice van. So yeah, I just found this van trying to look for sports mobiles for sale. Let's see if I could find an authentic one for sale. There you go. $65,000. That's what a authentic sports mobile goes for, and that's a 2000. So the new ones are 175 grand. So yeah, that's a lot of money. That's why I say we're budget sports mobiling. Yeah, he's got the Aluminez storage, Aluminez side ladder. What else does he have? Aluminez front bumper. This guy's got all the Aluminez gear, and yeah, I want to talk about that again. So on yesterday's video, I asked you guys, who wants an Aluminez side ladder? Well, I know a guy who makes them for $350 versus $700, so I will pin this guy's Instagram again. If you guys want an Aluminez style side ladder, $350 versus $700. But yeah, I'm going to talk about this topic some more. But yeah, I just wanted to share that Camburg lifted van with you guys. So right now it's Action Van and Welltec. Looks like Camburg is phasing out their lift kit. So this is an Action Van style lift kit. No longer do that. So Camburg did the bent I-beam like Welltec and the Action Van style kit. Now they only have the Action Van style kit. So I'll talk about this more also. Radius arms. Notice the Camburg has a pivot in their radius arm. That's a whole different topic. I'll talk about that later. You guys love all this lifted van talk, lifted van tech, budget sports mobiling. So my buddy Hector's offering to show me his Camburg van when I'm on the road again. Lots of things to talk about. Lots of new faces in the comments getting into this. Check this Camburg lifted van out. He's on pizza cutters. He's on a tall, narrow tire. So I've talked about that before also. So there you go, Camburg lift kit. They're expensive. I think they're gonna have this one in stock for a long time. $3,500 starting price for an Action Van style lift kit. Yeah, you could just go to Action Van and get the actual Action Van style lift kit, the OG one, for $2,089. But Camburg's high end. They do trophy trucks, so it just looks like they're phasing out. So maybe a hardcore Camburg fan will pick up the remaining Action Van style lifts. I do like the radius arm a lot. So yeah, we'll talk about radius arms. We'll talk about pivot points. I recorded the pivot points on my Welltec lift kit. I placed my action cameras to watch how much movement is in the pivot area. So we'll talk about that later. I just really wanted to share that Camburg lifted van with you guys. All right, guys, have a good one.